Hi, today we're making blueberry muffins. To start, we're going to be making some parchment paper liners. I explained this more thoroughly in my coffee cake muffin recipe, which can be viewed up there. Now we're going to do some prep work. To start, we need a cup and 2 tablespoons of milk combined with a tablespoon of vinegar. And essentially, we're just creating buttermilk. And then set that aside. Now to the blueberries, we're going to add some flour. And this will just prevent our blueberries from sinking to the bottom of our muffin. Now we can move on and sift a little less than 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And by the way, I have included the gram ingredient amounts for all of the ingredients. Next, take 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and melt this in 25-second intervals. Add in a 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and give that all a nice mix. Afterwards, we're going to crack in 1 egg at a time. We're going to be needing 2 eggs and stir in between each egg, and this will prevent our mixture from separating. And now for our second egg, and mix. Lastly, we're going to gradually add in the curdled buttermilk. You can also use the ones found in stores, but I just made my own. Lastly, we're going to add in our vanilla. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients into our dry, and you're going to gradually do this so that it's easier and the mixture will come together with less lumps. It's a process, be patient, this will come together. After, you're going to let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes on the counter, and this will let the gluten rest. Add your blueberries and fold them into the mixture. And then we're done. Now you can just take your muffin pan and add the batter into your muffin wells. And lastly, we're going to top with some more blueberries. This adds nice decoration, and who doesn't want more blueberries, right? Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and then 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Let them cool and then cut right into them while they're still warm. Lots of blueberries, so good, irresistible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!